I'm going to show you how to use the free version of EZY, EZY.ai. EZY helps get your website found on ChatGPT, Gemini, and other large language models. So if you just enter your website on the homepage here of EZY and press Analyze, EZY will now look through every single one of your web pages and inspect your content and see how EZY can optimize your website to be found on ChatGPT and other AI engines. So as you can see, EZY is giving a live real-time update of what it's doing. So currently it's scanning for Reddit to see if anybody has mentioned, upvoted, or posted about you and your business. And EZY is now going to generate prompts. Prompts are questions that people would type into LLMs to find your business. And now EZY is giving your website a visibility score. So all of this is done in real time. And as you can see, we now have a score. 20% AI visibility score for quasar.space. And these are prompts, as I mentioned, that people type into ChatGPT to find you. So make sure you're happy with these prompts and they match what your business does. And here you can see that this business is found. And click on Not Found, and you can see which other companies and websites appear. Here you can see Wikipedia appears for this particular prompt. So Wikipedia might be a good place for your business to be. And just have a look and make sure that these are accurate. Now, if you scroll down, we can actually see the unlock dashboard. At this point, you won't get charged. You can simply log in, create an account. I just logged in after clicking on my email to accept the invite to EZY, and EZY has migrated my website across. And as you can see, each of these widgets are loading. Now, the first thing to look at is integrations. If you have WordPress, install the WordPress plugin. If you don't, then use another CMS plugin. Once that's connected, you can click on performance and see all of the AI agents that hit your website. I'm not going to connect that now. And if you click on dashboard, click here, it says prompts matched. These are the prompts that we looked at earlier. Make sure they are all accurate for your business. And now you can get a look and feel for how the EZY dashboard looks. Now, all of these widgets are actually behind a paywall. You've got to choose a plan, but what we wanted to do is allow people to use EZY for free by updating the foundations of their website. Now, these are the foundations of AEO. Your robots file, your LLMs.txt, and your sitemap must be in order. So if I click on robots.txt and I click generate, this is the existing robots file in the middle. And on the right, we'll have the EZY generated robots file. And you can use this completely for free and upload this to WordPress. Now, every single widget on EZY has the same layout. On the left, you have your score for AI visibility. You have the issues and recommendations. On the middle, you have exactly the content you have now. And on the right, you have the EZY generated content. And we will keep this page updated for you with all of the latest AI agents that can access your site, from ChatGPT to Google AI Overviews to Amazon Alexa. And if you're connected to WordPress, you can press this button and automatically this will be uploaded to your website. If you're not comfortable with seeing code, you can change to EZY mode, and all of this is explained in plain English text. So the last thing to mention is that you can use the EZY chatbot if you have any problems. You can also create a support ticket or suggest a feature, and that's everything. So I hope you found this useful, and good luck with your AEO journey.